Here, so I'm at Barberville Pioneer Settlement in Florida, and this is the Florida Artists Blacksmithing Association meeting. Heinrich Hole, a buddy of mine, is going to be doing a demonstration of some Christmas gifts. So what stock are you starting with?
This is half-inch round bar.
Half-inch round bar?
And the only reason we're using that is because that's what's convenient right there.
Okay.
So I picked it up and said, we'll make a Christmas tree. That's Alright, here we go. We're going to have it on the diamond. I'm going to flatten it out a little bit. There we have the basic start of that transformation. Now it's flat enough that I can hit it with the peen on the next go around. I'm going to hit deep. I'm going to actually cut it. Well, this time we're not cutting it yet. Coming up like this now.
Awesome.
So here we have the continuation of the initial marks, and on the next heat they'll get separated. Okay. So here we have the basic shape. And gently tap it here, and then come over and close it the rest of the way.
Yep.
There you go. You got the hit now.
To mess with, but it's got more girth to the base now. And that's done. So it's first thing on the stream that we've made at Burroughs Forge.